What are you, Austin?
I'm the BeerMan.
Can you look in the camera?
The BeerMan.
Can you say that to the camera?
The BeerMan.
Hey, BeerMan. 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 Hey, BeerMan. You want to help us clean?
Yeah, bro, we have to be in the car in an hour.
Alright, you guys wake me up in 2 hours.
Dude, we're going back to Bradenton now.
Alright, wake me up now.
Okay. We're trying.
Bro, do you think we're fucking kidding, dude? We're about to go to Waffle House and do that dine and dash.
Alright, meet me when you guys are done.
Bro, you have to be out of the hotel with us.
I'm full, I just ate Doritos 2 minutes ago.
Dude, I'm telling you. You ate, if 2 minutes ago in your definition is 5 a.m. and right now is 11 a.m., then yeah, you just had them 2 minutes ago.
You ate Doritos last night. Like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Let's go.
At BeerMan,
BeerMan.
sing the song.
BeerMan.
Sing it again.
BeerMan. BeerMan. BeerMan.
Can you get even more energetic with it?
No.
BeerMan!
No.
Why?
Where's the beer?
There's, you drank it all.
BeerMan.